for the last time. Your assigned heading is 155. Runway 16 right. You're clear for takeoff.
You had a dream inside your head, wrote the story's end, but wrote it in the sand. The face in your fairy tale looked like me. It was all you need. Just stick to the story, please. You say that you want to see me
Carrying ground, good morning. For the last time, Speedbird Concord 2, IFR London Heathrow with Mike. Request here.
It's been no secret that Pan Am has been in serious financial trouble for years, but recently had made a deal with Delta and some thought Pan Am could survive. But after putting up $115 million, Delta said it would invest no more, and Pan Am stopped flying at 9 o'clock this morning.